Hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about things you should avoid when you have a cold or cough. Let's jump right into it. First off, let's steer clear of foods high in sugar, including sugary drinks. So, if you have a sweet tooth, it's best to hold off on those for now. Next up, let's say no to junk food. We all know that junk food isn't the best for our health, especially when we're feeling under the weather. Avoid spicy and oily foods as well. These can irritate your throat and make you feel even more uncomfortable. Now, I know some of you might think that having ice cream is a treat when you have a sore throat. It might feel good to have something cold, but for some people, consuming cold foods like ice cream can actually make their throat feel worse. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and give it the care it needs, especially when you're not feeling your best. Stay healthy, everyone,